Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. So another video on ticker symbol APDN. And if you know, and if you're following this particular channel, you know I have been making lots of videos on APDN recently. And the good thing is that stock is going up. So whenever I'm making the video, the stock is going up. Not because I'm making the video, that is why it is going up. The stock is going up. Okay. So anyway, the last video it was 5.74, and last Friday it was 5.83, and after the hour 5.9. So decent price action. Okay, and if you look at last 5 days of chart, you can see that that thing was right around 70 cent. Okay, in Monday, and then started going higher, zero point 0.7 all the way to 5.8, 8 times. Okay, 8 times just in 5 days. So be careful, don't be caught up. Okay, so first of all, that was a nice stock. We have been day trading this particular stock last week. Even last Friday, our entry was 5.25. Our target 3 was around $7, and I was so happy because you see that once the market opened, it came to 5.25 exactly, which we had based on the pre-market, right? So from 5.25, $7 was the target. It was 34%. So it was a nice gain for the Discord member. We made money. Even with AMC, I think we made 33% gain. We had GOVX, we made money. You can see like it was a nice day, 35, 33, 28, 22. Nice day. So anyway, if you want a pre-market ticker symbol, the names, the entry, exit, then just join my Patreon. $9 per month for the VIP, 25 per month. Get access to my Discord, and let's make some money. So before I talk about the good things about APDN, just want to highlight something because as I said, last 5 days it moved 8 times. So just a caution. If you look at the daily chart, okay, first of all, look at the volume. So the volume is coming down, even though the price is going slightly, but the volume is coming down. Look at the RSI on a daily. This is daily. The RSI reached 99.98. Anything can go over 100. The RSI over 70 is overbought, so it needs to cool down. Look at the MACD, how far it is went up. Okay, so this is first of all just a caution. I do not want you to buy something right at the top. Also, if I go to hourly chart, I just want to show you that yesterday it was not a big move, like the high of the day before and the here, not a big move here, right? Even though it gave you the dip, from the dip it went to $7, then you got a double top at $7. So the main thing is it might cool down. Okay, it might cool down, it might run again, but for any stock, for a healthy run, bull run, it's good and healthy. If it goes up, comes down, goes up, comes down. Look, it went up all the way to 6, came back to $3, 50% retracement, again 6.05, now trying to hold around 5.2. So even if it comes down, this is okay. I will come back to the price action again, but before that, let's look at few other things. Just want to show you the volume. First of all, you can see the volume is coming down, so this is number one. And the other thing is APDN. Look at the short. The current short interest is 12%, which is high, right? 12%. The cost to borrow average is 421%. So anyone who is shorting, they're paying a lot of interest. The short interest is higher. So whenever the volume will come, this thing will run again. Now I see the volume is slowing down. So that is why I'm just making a small caution here. Just trade carefully. As per the Fintel, short interest is only 3%, and if you go down, currently there is only 1,000 shares are available to short. Cost to borrow fee rate is even higher, 590%. Okay, and finally, finally, I just want to talk about the option chain. But before that, look at the volume. It's just compared to 18 million, it was only 41 million. So anyway, I will talk about the price action. But look at the option chain activity. The nearest call option expiry date is 19th of August, and for 5 and 7.5, lots of call options concentration here, right? But the volatility is so high. So if you're playing with this, keep that in mind. The time decay will be higher. So if things are not moving to your own direction or the preferred direction, it might come down. So make some money, get in, get out. So let's look at the price action now. So first of all, so this is a stock we have been playing, you know that, right? If you're following this particular channel. But the important thing is the day before it went to 7, it came back to 5.23. Again, it went to 7, it came down. So definitely around 7, it will have a strong resistance. It has to break this particular area. Now, in terms of support, I would say 5.2 was held, right? It was held. So in case it comes 5.2, this is a good area. Maybe you can think around. The other area is $6. Why $6? It was a resistance that previously, then it became a support here. Then I see end of Friday, it is acting like a resistance. So if 6 can be broken, this thing might come back to 5.2. Again, what I'm saying, things can't run always. It needs to cool off at some time, right? So even if it comes to 5.25 again, or even 4.5, this is okay as long you see the overall trend is continuing. Keep that in mind. It was 70 cent and it went to $7, so almost 10 times in a week. Okay, so if something goes 10 times in a week and come back around 3-4 times down, is still on a weekly basis, this is up. I do not want you to become a bag holder and then you just cry and just pray when it will go back to $7-8. I'm not against this particular stock, but on a day-to-day perspective, just want to show you the RSI MACD. Okay, now look at the bigger picture here. So definitely once it will go over this $7 area, it will have some resistance right around $8. You can see few times it was rejected at 8. After 8, there are some areas right around 9. Then we have 10, 11, 12.7. But if you look at the chart, this is the area it was trading between 5.2 and $7 area, right? So now we are in this particular area. As long we hold this particular area between 5.2 and $7, which is good, then if volume comes back, if the buying pressure continues, then most probably it will go and break this $7 area. But for now, see how volatile it is. Goes up, comes down, goes up, comes down, and it is holding. So many people wanted my opinion on this particular stock because this thing is running, we are making money. So what about this? So looking at the RSI MACD, I think it needs to cool off, and if it cools off, this is perfectly okay. Some people also like a trend line. You can just draw, sorry, this is not a trend line. You can just always draw a trend line just connecting the low point, and you can have another trend line connecting the upper point, right? So even just considering this point, it makes sense. It might come back to 5.2, and if it comes, it is okay because previously it bounced from 5.2. So I'm not against that. So anyway, each morning we look at the pre-market, based on the price action we decide at what point we should go in. And I was so lucky last Friday, APDN, it just came to our entry 1, and then it went to 7. So entry 1 and target 3 all work. And if you're part of my community, especially for the Discord, you know every day around 9 p.m. I come up with different names with that entry, exit, and I also comment live to talk about the play, why I'm playing it. I show the technical during the day. I update the chart. We chat with other experienced trader. We bring plays, and we are making money like almost every day. And this is not I'm just talking, because each day I upload like how our entry and how our stock moved and what is the high of the day, and we are making consistent money. So give a try, just $9 per month, or you can become a VIP, just pay 25 per month, and hopefully we can make some money together. Thank you again for watching this particular video. Take care. Hit the like button, subscribe my channel. Peace.